This episode of TechnoBuffalo is brought to you by domain.com. Well, happy holidays, everybody, and welcome to my humble abode. I was going to emulate my buddy Nick Offerman here, but somebody in the office drank all my office whiskey, so I don't have my whiskey, but that's okay. We're talking about the Nexus 6P. We already have a review up, so you can check that out. If you want more details, you can check it out right here. But I've been using this as my daily driver for the last few months since it came out, basically. And I wanted to do a quick revisited, just kind of let you guys know how it's been over the last few months. So first of all, the build on this thing is fantastic, and I think that we all knew that going into it. It feels really, really nice in the hand. That full-on aluminum body just feels great, but damn, it is so slippery. It is so slippery. And when you're in bed trying to use it side to side, it slips right out. Especially it's a little colder out this time of year. The aluminum gets really cold, and that really just adds to the slickness. So I really like to keep it in this case. This is the official Google microfiber case, and it's really comfortable. It doesn't add too much bulk. It has a nice little cutout here for your fingerprint reader, and it really helps with grip when you're laying down. So I really like this thing, but the build overall is fantastic. It's just too slippery. The camera on this thing is fantastic, and that's been a huge sticking point for Nexus devices, everything from the actual optics to the software. So while they nailed it on the optics, the software is still so bad, and it's not even a usability thing anymore. It's really more of an engineering thing. I have missed so many shots on this thing, and the sad thing is it takes phenomenal photos, but this day and age, top of the line Android device, Snapdragon 810, there's just no excuse in my mind for missing photos on a device of this nature. Dude, we have we have two dogs in the office. I need to be ready to take photos at a moment's notice. So performance on the camera side hasn't been fantastic, but performance on the OS side has been pretty darn good. Marshmallow on this thing runs really smoothly. The only thing is, it's pretty clear to me that Android still has a number of memory management issues. I find myself rebooting this thing once, maybe twice a week, believe it or not, because I find that even just doing a simple thing like Googling a location on Google Maps or trying to find something on Foursquare winds up taking much longer than it should for, again, a device that's a Snapdragon 810. It's the top of the line. And then after I reboot, everything goes right back to being perfectly fine. So I think there are still some memory management issues, which is kind of annoying. And then also on the software front, for some reason, it works fine on my wife's Nexus 5X. OK Google just never seems to work for me. I don't understand what it is about this device. I've trained it a million times. I don't know if it's this one in particular or if it's the Nexus 6P, but I can't get OK Google to work consistently. What happened? Did the video end? Are we on a different video now? Let me know if you guys have had similar experiences. Any of you who own a 6P, let me know in the comments. Are you experiencing the same stuff with OK Google? Are you experiencing the same kind of stutters with random usage about once a week? And let me know how your camera is performing, because I'm really bummed to say that even though they've got the optics up to speed, that the camera software just is not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays to everybody, whatever it is that you celebrate this time of year. Happy winter solstice. Be with your family, have a fun time, be kind to one another, and I'll catch you in the next video. You know what I hate about the holidays, guys? I love the holiday season, but I hate eggnog haters. I'm a huge fan of eggnog. I make my own from scratch. I cook the custard. I get the nutmeg in there. I do the whole 9 yards. I make multiple batches a year, and it's so delicious. I will never understand the kinds of people who don't like it. So to that end, I was thinking maybe I should set up eggnog.love. It is available right now from domain.com, and that's where I was going to go ahead to register it. You can just go to domain.com, type in what you want. They've got a ton of things there. It's really super easy to do. Plus, you save 20% off when you use the code TechnoBuffalo, which obviously I'm going to do when I go set up my eggnog fan site. So let me know what you guys think about eggnog. Actually, no, don't, because I don't really care all that much. Eggnog is the best beverage in the world. Anyway, when you're thinking domains, think domain.com.